So check it out. This is my latest build. I call it the Ameri-Marx Zephyr. It's an American Flyer Zephyr set that I found at a train show for 30 bucks. Someone had already tried to custom paint it, and there's a lot of body work and things that need to be fixed on it. So I thought, why not for 30 bucks? I'll take a chance on it. It had originally a Lionel motor in it that didn't work very well. It was kind of scabbed in there, so I removed it. And I put a Marx motor from an FT diesel in there. And I also had to make a new drawbar for the locomotive. That was missing. And some of the cars are missing them too. But I have the 5 cars painted, but I want to just test this one. I plan on lighting all the cars. There's also LED track lighting in here, and I use vellum for the windows and clear plastic. And I made my own decals to give it a custom look. So we're going to take it for a spin. You can check it out. Alright, it goes through the corners really nice. Pick the camera up and follow it around a little bit. Hopefully the little Marx motor will be able to handle all the cars that I've got. Plus I want to get one more. I want to get an observation car eventually. I won't see or hear any problems. It's going through my 048 turns quite nicely. Okay, I'll set the camera back down. Alright, hopefully my next video, I'll have all 5 cars. There's going to be 2 LED light strips in each one, and then I'll put vellum in the windows of cars as well. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.